All right, in our next and final, depending on what order you're watching these videos in, 5 theme of geography region. Again, very similar to place, um, but it's an area that has common features. So here we have the UN subregions of Africa. They broke it into Northern Africa, which I believe is pretty arid, Western Africa, which I believe is arid as well, but a little more temperate, I believe. Eastern Africa and Central Africa, it starts getting more dense forest and rainforest and jungle. And then Southern Africa becomes rather westernized, meaning there's, skyscrapers, buildings of that kind of nature, that type of architecture. Um, but this was done by the UN, the United Nations, not by Africa themselves. Like, you know, a bunch of people in Africa didn't get together and say, this is how we want to divide our continent up. No, it was done by another entity. So, I mean, the cool thing about regions is you can divide them into anything you want, right? So it can be defined any way you can think of. It can also be subdivided multiple times and different ways. Okay. So, like, you can go here to Egypt and you can decide which region you can identify the populated regions versus the non-populated regions. The regions by the Delta or by the Nile versus not regions by the Nile. All those kind of things. Which like you can keep subdividing them. I mean, we can even subdivide it into our school. Like our region is our hallways where mostly seventh grade teachers are and classes are, right? And then around the corner is where most eighth grade. That's the eighth grade region. And then around the other corner is the sixth grade region. That's the sixth grade region. So, you can even bring it down all the way into school because they have common features. The teachers are all sixth grade teachers. That's their common feature. So you can even bring it home all the way down to school. I guess it's hard being virtual, but I get it. All right, so that's region. Now that should fill out all 5 themes of geography videos. Now you should head over to the questions video that is posted. All right, stay tuned.